Hey crafty friends, Jen here from Raven Loot and Paper 2, and I'm sharing with you another incoming 90s swap. And this was hosted by Beck's Crafting World, and I will leave all of Beck's information down below. And this is incoming from Tammy, who is, make sure I say it right, Pink Daisy Studio. And I will leave all of Tammy's information down below as well, so that you guys can go and check out all of her stuff for the swap. Let's see. I'll make sure I post a little graphic, but it was you make a trapper keeper either following the tutorial or oh goodness, you follow the tutorial, make a trapper keeper, or KS Craft had put out a trapper keeper die, so you could use either one of those. Just you had to make a trapper keeper. It had to have 3 dividers. Each divider had to have 2 embellishments, and one of the dividers had to have shakers on it. So 1 set of shakers, some other embellishments, and everyone who has participated has made so many fun nostalgic things. So I was a kid in the 90s, so all of this stuff is very nostalgic to me. I'm so excited to open this one, so let's go ahead, and with this one we will start with our card first. Here on the little envelope it just says "Let the good times roll," and there is some washi under here. This one says love, some zigzags, and then an alphabet like on some notebook paper, and a cute little heart chipboard with some checker on it, and it is left open. And she has used this fun like mirrored hot pink magenta color on the card is magenta, then the metallic magenta as the background there, and then we have like the composition notebook and this other fun like squiggle. They're like ripped and layered together. It says 90s nostalgia, and then she has this fun cassette tape ephemera, and it's basically a fun little note from Tammy, and she also has a video posted on YouTube about how she made all this. So like I said, I'll leave all that information down below if you guys want to go ahead and go check all that out. Once again, here's that cute little card she made. Hold on one second, you guys. I'm sitting crooked on my desk here. It's hard for me to reach. Alright, sorry about the weird noises. That was her card, and then she has included this fun little cassette case. I have no idea where she found an old cassette case. That is absolutely hilarious and adorable. And she has made this fun little oh, does it not open? Oh, okay, I was just pulling weird. She's made this fun little cassette in here out of, oh, there are 3 in here, and these are little embellishments. We have hot pink. We have this fun lavender with hearts. And then this really cute like aqua baby blue. And like I said, they're all in one of those old school cassette cases, and she's decorated with a little like rainbow piano keyboard. So for her actual trapper keeper here, she's used this fun little black and white graphic paper. We have the little swirls, the zigzags, little triangles, little plus signs, X's, all the fun little doodles. That's the word I was looking for. All the fun little doodles on the front here. We have some of these like epoxy stickers with the strawberry, a cute little flower, and a butterfly. And she has laminated everything. My last partner laminated everything as well. That's one thing I didn't even think to do. You guys are so clever. That'll help it keep, that way it'll last longer. And then she has used a mechanism on the inside. I can see from the outside here, and we have that fun paper everywhere on the outside. And then there is her cute little label, and like I said, I will link all that information down below. And then she has added this really fun dangle slash keychain on the side here. We have the fun multicolored beads Then these guys are bows. Oh, okay. These guys are bows in this fun multicolor, and it makes up this like this cool column of bows. And she's ended it with another little ball there, and then we have some of the cute little clay flowers making their own little decoration there. And I am going to take this off. Well, I thought I was going to take this off. Does it not come off? There we go. Just so that it'll lay flat when I am opening it for you guys. And she has made sure it stays closed with this little tool here. Alright, are we ready for the iconic Velcro? On the inside here she has this fun alphabet pattern paper. Okay, she's made this cute little side pocket here. And on the inside we have this cute little magazine, a little teen magazine. That is so cute. She's made a tiny little version of this magazine. That's so adorable. I definitely had lots of the like YM and all those fun little like 17 magazines and stuff. I definitely had all of those. What were the ones? I think they were like Tiger Beat or whatever that had the like posters inside them, so that I could get like all my Backstreet Boys posters out of them. We have the fun little, this was on the blue cassette, this fun polka dot. This one says Girl Power, and we have a rainbow with clouds, this cute little diamond, the lightning bolt, a heart, and some little heart sunglasses. And she has handmade her bag. All you ladies who did this, I am super duper impressed, because I just bought a bag and added it to mine because I didn't even want to figure out how in the world to make that happen. So she's added a little zipper, and of course she has this fun vinyl acetate, whatever you want to call it, for her pocket. She's included a shimmery lip gloss. Everything in the 90s had that metallic frost to it. A scrunchie. Ooh, some airheads. I had some in the last swap as well, and I've already ate them, so yay for more. And some fun gel pens. I have to add these to my collection. Ooh, these are the rainbow gel pens, the ones that come out a different color every time you use them. And that was her pencil pouch. I don't know if you guys can see this. Hold on one second. I think I know what is causing this glare. Let's see. Oh my goodness, is that better? I had my desk lamp was pointed directly at the camera. Alright. So here is the fun little pencil pouch she made by hand. And then these papers, I don't know if these are a like digital paper or if this is a just pattern paper, but she's made hers into folders. And this one says Vroom, Zap, Swish, Beep Bop. We have a little robot on here. It looks like we have the Game Boy. And then on the inside, she's done, like this side has some tearing, and we've layered it up with the stripes here. We have washi, seize the day, some little red and polka dots. We have some popcorn, a little pizza patch. Everyone, well, I don't know about everyone, but we used to go and do like Pizza Hut after like softball games and stuff like that. So definitely remember Pizza Hut on a Friday night. We have some little more epoxy stickers over here. We have Wow, a little flower, and a little boom box. Before I pull out these fun embellishments. Okay. Cute. Okay, so she's made some little floppy disk here, and I don't know if this is a die or if she has a machine and she just cut these out. I'll have to go and watch her videos. So we have the fun little metallic piece. The actual floppy disk itself seems to be made out of the foam. And then she is layered up with that cute blue polka dot paper. Then we have like the little label for the disc on each of them. And then we have paper ruffles. And we have some chipboard pieces. We have stars. We have hearts. And then we have little flower stickers attached to them as well. Super duper cute. And it's all on this grid paper that she has went ahead and put her embellishments on. And the top one. And then for her shakers, we have done the popsicles here. We have a purple with purple sequin mix, and then we have a pink with a pink and white sequin mix. And then we have this groovy rainbow flower background paper for this embellishment. Alright. Next one here. This one is made to look like a composition notebook. It says name. It says hello love. And we've got this epoxy sticker with the shooting star. On the inside here we have like rock and roll paper. We have the notes, we have the drums, we have the keyboard, we have a record player, we have microphones, speakers, all the fun stuff. She has a paper clip here, and this is a like chipboard piece that says our mix. And then she has tickets to some concerts here, the Wallflowers, let's see, Nirvana, Catherine Will, the Mayor's Ball, Babes in Toyland. There we go. Sorry, my eyes aren't great. So she has some cool ticket stubs here she's printed out. That's really fun. Then this one, this little sticker here says 90s nostalgia. Oh yeah, that was like, I was like, I seen that. Where did I see that? That's like the one here on her card. Very similar. Let me clip these guys back in so they don't get lost. Hold on one second, bear with me. Then over here she has made some cassette embellishments, and it looks like they are like, is this Jen Hatfield? Is that the one who did the, like, what was it called? Like Groovy Darling or whatever? Anyway, so these are like little cassette ephemera pieces, and she has like put them up on foam so that they are dimensional, and we have them layered on top of each other, so that's like a 2-for-1 type deal. And then we have lots of chipboard pieces with the music notes. This one has a cool little zigzag and a flower, and this says love song. We have a little rainbow and a heart, and it's on that cool like doodle page there. And then over here on this side, it says Taco Tuesday. We have this fun little washi with like triangles, and then the little alphabet washi. On the back side, we have some more of that cool like composition paper, the little black and white grid paper, and then this washi says important. Okay, fun. She's made some more shakers. You ladies who make all these shakers impress me because they take me so much time. Hers are VHS tapes. Okay, hold on. Let me see if I can get into these real quick. Alright, sorry about that. So we have a purple VHS, and it's the shaker with the purple mix inside of it. We have 2 tickets on there, a fun little paper ruffle, some 3D glasses, like old school 3D glasses, a popcorn bucket, and a cute little heart. This one is a black and white cassette, and we have that purple shaker mix in there. We have some blue tickets, a like vellum heart, this popcorn bucket, another set of those 3D glasses, and a paper ruffle. The black one, the purple one, and then I think it was attached to this paper. Mine just came loose, I guess, in shipping. And the paper here is this really cool with the 3D glasses on it. Then we have like this little torn piece here with the old school cameras on them, a Blockbuster card, and this really cool, she's made a set of 3D glasses, and they have like a red metallic and a blue metallic on them. I didn't realize that these also, she must have made those as well, because these also have that metallic on there. I thought it was just like a piece of ephemera. I think she's made those. Very cool. And then on the back is just this cool like triangular stripe pattern. She's included some stickers, and these are some epoxy stickers from Bella Boulevard. This was the Love You More is what it says. I guess that was the name of the collection. And we have all these fun hearts, the peace sign, the lips, the lightning bolts, all of the cool little icons that kind of go with the 90s theme we have. And then she's also included, this is very smart, uh-oh, my little thing came undone there. I'm guessing that's to hold like a pen. And then she has this fun little notepad in here so that you can take notes. And it's that fun blue polka dot paper, and we have a little unicorn epoxy sticker on there. And that guy was in the back there. And then the whole background was this like cool, I guess the Bella Boulevard paper. Awesome. Thank you so much, Tammy, for everything you made, the detail that you put into everything. Thank you, thank you, thank you. I appreciate it so much. And like I said, I'm going to leave all of her information down below, so you guys be sure to go and check her out, as well as Beck's information, so that you guys can go and see all of the reveals for all of the swaps that came in. And thank you guys so much for watching. If you guys want to check out any of the stuff I've done, you can find me at Raven Lou and Paper 2 on Facebook, on Instagram, here on YouTube, TikTok, you name it. Anywhere you search Raven Lou and Paper 2, probably have something, hopefully, you know. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you in the next video.